yes. All of our dogs are adopted.
Except that one! What is that thing? A dog, I think. But it was dead this morning.
It was dead this morning?
When we thought it was dead, it was hit by a truck.
I like him. Come here, boy.
Wouldn't you like a different dog?
We have better dogs, dear.
Not better than him. He can talk. Say hello.
Dogs can't talk, dear.
He did.
Does it have to be this dog?
Yes, he's good. I can tell.
You'll have to think of a name for him.
His name is Stitch.
No, that's not a real name. In Iceland. But here it's a good name. Stitch it is. And there's a $2 license fee.
I want to buy him. Can I borrow $2?
He's all yours.
You're all mine.
Well, what's he doing?
Keep quiet. He's listening for us.
How good is his hearing?
Why don't you run?
I'm coming.
Stop! I have just determined this situation to be far too hazardous.
Don't worry, I won't hit her.
No! That girl is a part of the mosquito food chain. Here, educate yourself.
Using that little girl for a shield. This is low even for you!
Oh!
Ah!
Ah!
Tear him apart with all both my
Have you lost?
What is it, Stitch?
We cannot be seen.
Bad dog barking at nothing.
You can't shoot, and you can't be seen. Look at you!
You look like a monster.
We have to blend in.